You are watching KIDspace.
Uppercase A, lowercase a. A is for apple, apple. Uppercase B, lowercase b. B is for banana, banana. Uppercase C, lowercase c. C is for carrot, carrot. Uppercase D, lowercase d. D is for donut, donut. Uppercase E, lowercase e. E is for egg, egg. Uppercase F, lowercase f. F is for fruit, fruit. Uppercase G, lowercase g. G is for grape, grape. Uppercase H, lowercase h. H is for hot dog, hot dog. Uppercase I, lowercase I. I is for ice cream, ice cream. Uppercase J, lowercase j. J is for juice, juice. Uppercase K, lowercase k. K is for kiwi, kiwi. Uppercase L, lowercase l. L is for lime, lime. Uppercase M, lowercase m. M is for milk, milk. Uppercase N, lowercase n. N is for nectarine, nectarine. Uppercase O, lowercase o. O is for orange, orange. Uppercase P, lowercase p. P is for pineapple, pineapple. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Q is for quince, quince. Uppercase R, lowercase r. R is for raspberry, raspberry. Uppercase S, lowercase s. S is for strawberry, strawberry. Uppercase T, lowercase t. T is for tomato, tomato. Uppercase U, lowercase u. U is for ugly, ugly. Uppercase V, lowercase v. V is for vegetable, vegetable. Uppercase W, lowercase w. W is for watermelon, watermelon. Uppercase X, lowercase x. X is for zequa, zequa. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Y is for yogurt, yogurt. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Z is for zucchini, zucchini.
watching KIDspace. Come again, tell your friends, and please click subscribe.
Thank you for watching KIDspace Studios. Don't forget to click subscribe to enjoy all of our wonderful videos and music. Hope to see you again soon.